In this video, I'll guide you through how to choose the best hotel on Agoda so you can feel confident about where you're staying and avoid any unpleasant surprises. We'll go from the very first search all the way to picking the hotel that fits your needs and your budget. First, open Agoda and start by entering your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests or rooms you need. Take a moment to be accurate here because the results and prices you see are tied closely to those details. Once everything looks right, hit the search button. Agoda will load a list of available hotels for your chosen dates. When the results appear, you'll probably see a mix of different hotels, budget options, luxury places, and everything in between. To make sense of all this, look for the sort by section, usually found near the top of the search results. This is where you can change how the hotels are ordered. From the sort by menu, choose the option called Top Guest Ratings. This setting moves hotels with the highest guest ratings and the most positive reviews to the top of your list. It's a quick way to filter out places that consistently disappoint travelers and highlight the ones people actually enjoy staying at. While this doesn't guarantee perfection, it strongly increases the chances that you'll have a good experience because the ranking is based on real guest feedback. Once your list is sorted by top guest ratings, start clicking into individual hotels that catch your eye. On each hotel page, spend some time reviewing the amenities. Look for what matters most to you, things like free Wi-Fi, breakfast included, a pool or gym, parking, or a 24-hour front desk. If you're traveling for work, you might focus more on a desk in the room and good internet. If you're on vacation, maybe a nice pool or spa is more important. Make sure the amenities match the way you actually plan to use the hotel. Next, pay close attention to the location. Agoda usually shows a map view so you can see exactly where the hotel is. Check how close it is to the areas you plan to visit, like business districts, tourist attractions, or public transportation. A cheaper hotel far away from everything can end up costing you more in time and transport. Also, reading a few guest reviews can give you extra hints about the neighborhood, such as whether it's quiet, safe, or convenient. After you've identified a few hotels that look promising in terms of ratings, amenities, and location, it's time to compare prices. Look at the nightly rate, but also check for taxes, service fees, and any additional charges like resort fees or parking costs. Sometimes a room that looks cheaper at first ends up more expensive once all the fees are added. Also, notice whether the rate includes free cancellation or breakfast, because those can add a lot of value. With all of this in mind, narrow your list down to the hotels that meet your standards. Compare them side by side. Consider guest ratings, reviews, amenities, location, and final total price. At this point, you should be able to select the most suitable hotel on Agoda for your trip, feeling confident that you've balanced quality, convenience, and cost in a way that works best for you.